Hey guys, it's Andrew here. One of the biggest challenges I find when dealing with new investors is mindset around money, raising money, doing deals, being blocked by getting into a property or moving forwards. And just want to show you what we do here on this 2-day workshop. We break the guys into different groups. So behind me, they're having conversations around institutions, the different finance models you get, the different products. And as you follow me over here, you'll see a group of people outside. And we've broken into 3 different groups. There's 2 groups behind me where they're talking about private finance. We start getting into joint ventures, angel finance, seller financing, crowdfunding. And the other group is crazy money. Where and how can we raise money to do your first property deal? So we do spend a lot of money on what's called OPM, other people's money, and as well as how to get your first one, how credit scores work. So for the beginners out there, we do cover a lot of that as well.
So the ABSA Future Rental product, so it is a product that ABSA came up with to help investors who have kept up their affordability to try and get you some of that affordability so that you can buy your next property investment opportunity. So what that means is that when you have a property, so you have to have one property at least, and then they take into consideration the next investment opportunity that you're going to buy. So they'll take up to 70% of the future rental that you're going to get from the next property to boost your affordability so that you can afford to buy the next property. So that is a very, very cool option for property investors.
So ladies and gents, if you're keen to learn or to find out how all the different ways of raising money works, join us at the next workshop.